ITO Catering Equipment Company Limited is located in Huadong Town, Huadu District, Guangzhou, with total assets of 1.5 million US dollars and a land area of 19,000 square meters. The group enjoys a good production environment and convenient transportation. 11 kilometers away from Bayonne International Airport and 60 kilometers away from Huangpu Port, about 15 minutes from Bayonne International Airport by car. We have a great number of product developing engineers who have rich experience in kitchen equipment industry, as well as a highly qualified team in production management, QC, and after-sale service. Meanwhile, the factory is equipped with advanced production, processing, and inspection equipment. We specialize in manufacturing kitchen equipment, snack equipment, refrigeration equipment, baking equipment, and food processing equipment, including griddles, fryers, crisp machine, popcorn machine, fish pellet grill, pasta cooker, bain-maries, food warmer, barbecue grill, oven, hamburger machine, cold display showcase, drink dispenser, ice cream machine, ice maker, etc. Guided by the principle of high quality, cost effective, the development of your business is dependent on cost and quality. We understand this very well. Therefore, we have been committed to making most cost-effective products without lowering product quality standards. At ITO Catering Equipment, we're passionate about what we're doing. We have been continuously providing many customers with quality products and service, and got accordant good comment